Hello from House of Gems. This is Alma. I'm going to show you how to use our different connectors. These are sterling silver. Alright. We're going to be using our beautiful silver-plated beaded chain. It's easy to make little segments. You just have to cut through the jump rings. And you can make little rows. Super easy. So first is our 3-row connector. For this one, I attached it to a jump ring onto our CZ connector. This is our deep red color, and an ear wire. So super easy and simple. And then I also used the 3-row connector for my bracelet here. So same thing, attach your chain with jump rings, add your clasp. You could choose to add a jump ring, or you could just put the clasp right in there. It works just as fine. You get a really nice 3-strand bracelet. And if you want to make it a little longer, it's a necklace. Okay. And then for here, this one, we used our 10-to-6 connector. It's called 10-to-6 because you have your 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and your 6 o'clock. So with this one, you have 3 points. I attached our jump rings, and you can make a little drop down. You could also use a 10-to if you don't want anything hanging. Make it a little simpler. And then here you see our CZ drops, or connectors, I'm sorry. And then these two. So yes, add a little extra bling to your necklace, your piece. And then here is our bezel connector. Here you can add whatever you want, a CZ, a little gemstone, whatever your heart desires. And that's a couple ideas of what you could use with our findings, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.